This machine can be used wet for encapsulation and then dry for vacuuming up, all with one machine, which is unique to this industry. SW20B. It's a 20-inch machine that is battery powered, runs 90 minutes, so you can get about 10,000 square feet per hour. As you're going to move the machine down, you have a lever right here which makes your adjustment. And that adjusts machine to your height. You also have a lever right here on the back that will lift the brush off the floor when it's not operating. The brush will lift off the floor so the brush doesn't get matted. When I'm going to set it down to operate, go just like that and it will set my brush. Now as I get it back where I feel comfortable, I'm going to put my main power switch on. Then my vacuum is right here. My bag full indicator is here. These are my switches right here for my brush. That's when the brush goes. I'm operating the machine and cleaning carpet. As you can see, it's effortless and spins on a dime. Anyone can use it. Ballrooms, large area carpeting, hallways. Again, 10,000 square feet an hour. We have a large capacity bag, so we're going to undo our strap. We're going to take, and then we're going to lift our bag up and out. Here's your large capacity bag, 3-gallon bag. We also have a filter that's removable and can be cleaned out. If you'll notice how much the filter catches as well as far as dust, debris. To put it back, if you'll notice, it's very simple here to put the filter back in, like so, and your filter's back in place. Putting your bag back in, if you have a fresh bag, take your bag, put it back down, and let it seat. You'll see that it can seat right here. And that's how you put your bag back in, and you're ready to then take your, seat it so like that. You got your straps, very simple. And then you have your locking device for your top right here. And what you have on the back right here is you have your battery meter. So it's going to tell you full charge, halfway, you need to take it back to the charging station and recharge it. We have a cable here that is a 50-foot cable. This is for charging. It's okay to use your cable, but this is not a hybrid in the case of where you can use the cable an extended period of time. It's only designed to do some touch-up in some smaller areas to get the job done. As you can see on the back here, we have an accessory kit that you have your dusting tool, a floor tool, your extension. I'm going to take my extension and then I'm going to outfit myself with the crevice tool. I'm going to come to the front of the machine. I'm going to pull that out, put this in, and now I have suction to do some overhead cleaning. The bottom of the machine, as you can see here, we have two types of brushes. We have your nylon brush for regular carpet vacuuming, and then we have a red brush that's a stiffer bristle for encapsulation. You'll see the swivel wheels, so it makes it nice and easy. This is the foot pedal that I mentioned before. The foot pedal comes down, lifts the brush up so the brush is not matted on the carpet in a storage position. To change this from vacuuming to wet encapsulation, it's as simple as this. You take this off, this is your vac shoe. You put your wet encapsulation so that no moisture can get up into that vac channel. And now with the red brush, how I would change the brush is you come to the side here and you have a pin like so. And that's how easy it is. Again, heavy duty seal bearing. How easy it is then to take your brush, change it to your red encapsulation brush. So to put your brush back, it's very simple. You take your bearing like so, and you're going to turn it until you have it lined up. You're going to push it in and turn. That's going to lock in your brush. And the reason you switch out is because the red brush, with whether you're using Host or any type of dry compound that has some solvent in it, or you're going to spray it down on the carpet, groom it in and clean spots and stains. When it dries, change out your brush because the red brush may still contain some moisture to it.